Hello everyone. So today is 2nd of March and today we had our first expiry of this month, and yes, it did go smooth. It's also not very smooth, but yeah, it went nice. And now let's discuss what we are expecting next and what happened today. So the first thing is that yes, in the morning, like the very first thing is that yesterday we discussed that market would be range bound. Why? Because the big guys had done put writing as well as call writing, so market can't fall, market can't go up. Okay, so it would be range bound. And yes, now the very so what happened was, yes, in the morning, if you see, before this fall, market was range bound. Okay, so started near about here 17,400, sorry, 17,000 here 450, and straight away came down and then concentrated around this level that we talked about, that very important level 17,389 or 390, whatever. Okay, so it did concentrate about this level. So the thing is that during this moment when it was consolidating, the put writers were escaping. Okay, so this is not I'm saying something now. So the first thing was to observe was call writers were active. That was very easy to observe. 70,400 huge call writers started like shorting. Okay, and then yes, call writers were active, and so people thought that they can buy puts because call writers are active, market will go down. But that's not true. Like when call writers are active, then market either can consolidate. So what has market to do? Like suppose if market doesn't fall, so it has to just end below today's the expiry, so it has to end below 17,400, and the 17,400 call side would just end at zero, right? So it's call writing doesn't mean that you get a move. Okay, so either you get a move or it might consolidate, because with just time your premium goes to zero. So, and even on the expiry day. So why also I told, because put writers were active. Okay, and then there was no clear signal that what's going to happen next, only that call writers were active. Then 17,400, yeah, surely giving resistance, and the score was suggesting more weakness in Nifty than in Bank Nifty. So here this Nifty score went negative in the very first half. Bank Nifty score also went negative, but it was like somewhat again came down to the neutral zone. So the thing was that majorly Nifty was showing weakness more than Bank Nifty. Okay, and then where did it go? Yeah. So then the major thing that we got was, the major signal that we got were put writers were closing. So when put writers are closing, then you know that yes, market is going to fall at least to the for Nifty, at least to the next 100. So suppose market is near about 70,400, at least it's going to go to the next 100, which is 17,300. Okay, and then what do you have to do? On expiry days the premiums are low, so you can easily double. So 70,400 put side was around trading around 40 to 50 rupees, and I took it, and then I sold it at 80 rupees. Okay, so yeah, so a huge profit was made with that. So the thing is that when put writers are closing, that's a very nice signal. That is, yes, now, because otherwise the put writers wouldn't have closed. Okay, so 10-14, that during that time itself the put writers were closing, and this was the final blow when just market like gave an up move here. So everyone thought that now we are going to go up again. So that was a major trap there, but still during even that time also the put writers were closing, and finally market came down. Okay, so I took at around like this 14 to 10:30. So during this period, but then I had to wait for a very long time. Okay, so it fell here, then again went up, and then finally it came down. Okay, so the thing is that yes, finally I was rewarded for my patience, and then the thing is that I mean, the call writers were also present at 17,300. That also gave me a very nice confidence to go with the put buying at 17,400. Okay, and that was it, the analysis. So one more thing, like the new those who are following me, or they are new, so they're asking for trial. So for trial, I don't give trial, but you see that I daily discuss what the analysis I have given for that day. So you just go and check my analysis in the past. Every day I make video, and every day I say what I did. Even I go wrong, I say that. I don't have any like any ego or something. Okay, so and it's all in the one channel. So like you might say that different channels are being used to give such nice interpretation and nice analysis, but no, every day I discuss. So after you are subscribing, you will be, I'll be I mean adding you to this group, so you can scroll up and check for the past days. So if and at any day you figure out that in the video I told some other analysis, but in the Telegram channel there is some other analysis, I'll give you back 10 times of what you have paid. Okay, so yes, so here I'm not faking anything. It's the same Telegram channel. It's everything the same. So every day I discuss what the analysis was for that day. And if you need such analysis, if you think that these analyses are going to help you, then of course you're almost welcome to join. But again, note that I don't do here like buy at this price, target is this, stop loss is this. Okay, so I don't do that. Stop loss and everything, it's like I'll give you the direction and the analysis what is exactly happening. Like put writers are closing at 10:14. If you know that put writers are closing, 17th call writers are active, then you are a trader, you have to handle the rest. Okay, sometimes if I say if I see that put buyers are active, then if I tell you that put buyers are active, now you as a trader, you have to trade. Okay, I can't take your trade, but all those things like buy at 35, stop loss 15, target 50, so those things are like gambling. Okay, so those things I don't feel that they are good for traders. So they should know what exactly is happening, and they should know how to analyze these, and I mean get these analysis done by themselves. Finally, that's the main goal here, and so I don't do that. So I'm sorry about that, but yeah, I do definitely try my best to give you the correct direction and what is happening. Okay, what are the big guys doing? Either they are buying options, selling options, at what strike price they are there. So these are the major things that we that I basically find out, and I tell the members. Okay, so yeah, now coming to the next thing, that is yeah, these levels. So the downfall that came today, so it's nothing but it should have come yesterday itself, but yesterday purposefully it was stopped. So I mean, yesterday is even in yesterday's video also I discussed, clearly said that the up move is not volume supported, so it's not going to last long. Okay, so you saw that today it's coming down, and now the major point is FII is buying for 12,770 crores. So is now are we going to going into a bullish phase? No. Okay, and for FNO again we see that FIIs have sold for 532 crores for stock. Futures again 2581 crores of selling. Now let's come to the thing that is advance to decline ratios are almost at parallel, and yeah, there is a bulk deal here of more than 15,000 crores. So that's the thing. Otherwise, if you just exclude this this has been done in Adani. So if you exclude that, then FII is a net seller, So I mean, you didn't see any move. Even the volumes are not suggesting any such buy, and that's the thing. So even if you look at Bank Nifty, also majorly like selling. Uh, again, FI is the net sellers. Don't worry about that figure. And now let's come to the major part, the end of the day data analysis. So futures long closing, and futures short again closing, but it's heavy built up. Okay, so futures heavily bearish, no doubt. And now let's come to the next one, that is option index. Option index, put writing has been closed, but put buying, yes, there are a huge put buying positions or quantities by the FIIs, and market futures looking very bearish. Option index put side buying, call side short. Okay, so this is also like at the starting of the next week, this is also nice quantity of call shorts according to my experience. They might increase it, yeah, whatever, but again for tomorrow again I might just stick to the call writing positions. So the major call writers are at 17,400 here at in Nifty. 17,000. So is this 2nd March, so 9th March, 17,400. The huge call writers are there. So I might go tomorrow and the very early morning I might just sell 17,400 and just wait and watch. Okay, for Bank Nifty, just let me just check. I think 40,500 for Bank Nifty. So 40,500 for Bank Nifty is the major. Let's see. So yes, 40,500 is the major one where the call writers are active. Even like if you see for Bank Nifty, like 40,500 should give some resistance, and also like above we have 41,000. So those who wants to play very safe, like in Bank Nifty, those who are writers, I'm not talking about the others. So those who are writers, so I mean, if I were you, then like I mean, above 41,000 it's very convenient or very safe. But again, you can go at 40,800 or something and go for writing, call writing as positional. And if you want to take risk, then you can just go down and short as per your risk appetite. And for Nifty, again 70,400, also 70,300 also call writers are present. So depending on the data tomorrow, 70,300, 70,400, or sometimes I go in the money when I'm very confident. So if I'll be very confident, then I'll just go at 70,200 and short. Okay, even at 70,200 some call writers are present. Okay, so yeah, I'll see if they are increasing their position tomorrow, or put buyers are getting more and more active tomorrow. Depending on that, I'll just go in the money, deep in the money. Okay, and yes, so that's the thing. And sometimes I go deep in the money, just not because I feel that 17,200 is going to come. So like today, if like if I would have continued with my 70,200 call writing position, then I mean I shorted at 200. Now today it ends at 127 or 137. Okay, so that's the thing, to eat because delta is high if you go in the money, and so you get to eat a lot of premium with the move. So that's why I go in the money when I'm very confident. And yes, so I think I have discussed everything here. And for the prop decks also, if you notice, let's see for the prop decks. So prop decks also overall they have done call writing, but they have increased their future short. Okay, so again prop decks are also bearish. And that's it for this analysis. So if you are liking my analysis, please don't forget to like the video, and please do share it among the other fellow traders. And those who are new here, you can subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Twitter. And yes, and also sometimes I post during the live markets my analysis, and that might be able to help you all. Like here I the last one I did was here, that is no yeah, the last one I did was on February 23rd. So yeah, so have patience, it's all a matter of time. And this is a stop loss market, and from 70,600 market did come down. Okay, so it was at around 10:35 a.m. on February 23rd when I posted it. So, and after that again on that day market came down to 17,500. Okay, so yes, like those who even like once trial and don't believe in the Telegram channel, they can also like go and check my live Twitter post, that I can fake it however I want. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.